high-protein mushrooms you should be eating. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an essential topic, high-protein mushrooms you should be eating. Mushrooms add texture and flavor to dishes and offer nutritional benefits. They are an excellent protein source and can be an ideal complement to vegan or vegetarian meal plans. Mushrooms are excellent meat substitutes with their meaty texture and decent protein content. Besides protein, they also provide valuable vitamins and minerals. To boost your protein intake without meat, consider high-protein mushrooms like oyster, morel, white button, and enoki. Oyster mushrooms have the highest protein content, but the others are also beneficial. Check the list below for mushrooms that enhance your meals and snacking options. Are mushrooms a good source of protein? Different types of mushrooms have varying protein and nutrient contents, so it's important to research which ones suit your diet. While mushrooms aren't high in protein, typically containing only 5 to 7% of the daily recommended value, they can effectively complement meals and serve as a meat substitute in vegetarian diets. Additionally, they can be enjoyed as a convenient snack to boost protein intake throughout the day. The highest protein mushrooms. We've listed mushrooms ranked by protein content, featuring a variety of flavors and textures for your cooking. Some are easy to find in grocery stores, while others may require visits to specialty shops or online orders. Explore these high-protein mushrooms and tips for enjoying them. In this video, we'll discuss the top 8 high-protein mushrooms you should be eating. Stick around till the end. You don't want to miss this. But first, if you're new here, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's make this video the most liked one ever. 1. Chanterelle mushrooms. Chanterelle cup mushrooms are visually appealing with their wrinkled edges and trumpet shape. Depending on their growth location, they come in various colors, such as yellow, orange, and white. You can find them in some grocery stores, online, or forage near trees. These mushrooms have a fruity flavor and are a great source of protein. They can be served fried as a side, garnished with meats or eggs, or served in pasta dishes. Rich in protein, fiber, vitamin D, iron, and potassium, Chanterelle mushrooms are highly recommended for experimenting with cooking. A 100 g serving of Chanterelle mushrooms include 3% DV protein, 26% DV vitamin D, 14% DV fiber, 19% DV iron. 2. Enoki mushrooms. Enoki mushrooms, popular in China, Korea, and Japan, are low in calories and high in protein, making them suitable for various diets. With long, thin stalks and small heads, they range in color from off-white to light brown and are packed with nutrients like folate, niacin, thiamine, and fiber. They offer a tasty, healthy protein option for those watching their calorie intake. A 100 g portion of enoki mushrooms contains 5% DV protein, 12% DV thiamine, 30% DV niacin, 13% DV folate, 11% DV pantothenic acid, 11% DV fiber. 3. Maitake mushrooms. Maitake mushrooms are often hard to find in grocery stores, so consider checking specialty markets, shopping online, or foraging for them. They're not only used medicinally, but also delicious in meals. Sauté or fry them to add to pasta, soup, pizza, or stir-fry. They're great for boosting the immune system and adding protein to your diet, so try to source some. A 100 g serving of Maitake mushrooms include 4% DV protein, 10% DV thiamine, 33% DV niacin, 14% DV riboflavin. 4. Morel mushrooms. Morel mushrooms have a unique spongy texture and earthy flavor. Their color ranges from dark to light cream, with darker ones offering better taste. Due to their difficulty in growing, they are best found at specialty stores or farmers markets. They are best cooked by sautéing or grilling, which enhances their texture and earthy notes. Though hard to find, they are nutritious and high in antioxidant, iron, potassium, fiber, and vitamin D. A 100 g serving of morel mushrooms contains 6% DV protein, 68% DB iron, 25% DB vitamin D, 10% DB fiber. 5. Oyster mushrooms. Oyster mushrooms are a delicious and popular delicacy. They are often found in Asian cuisine, but are adaptable to various dishes. Their sturdy texture makes them suitable for grilling, frying, roasting, sautéing, and use in casseroles and soups. Increasingly available in grocery stores, oyster mushrooms are high in protein and rich in vitamins such as riboflavin, niacin, and vitamin B5. A 100 g serving of oyster mushrooms contains 7% DB protein, 25% DB niacin, 13% DB pantothenic acid, 21% DB riboflavin, 12% DB potassium. 6. Portobello mushrooms. Portobello mushrooms are popular and commonly found in grocery stores, often at an affordable price. They have a rich umami flavor and good protein content, making them a tasty addition to various recipes. Besides protein, they are rich in niacin, riboflavin, vitamin B5, and selenium, providing great nutritional benefits. Many people use portobello mushrooms in meat-free diets, cooking them like steak or as a burger substitute. A 100 g portion of portobello mushrooms include 5% DB protein, 23% DB niacin, 28% DB riboflavin, 13% DB potassium, 16% DB selenium. 7. Shiitake mushrooms. Shiitake mushrooms are popular in Vietnamese and Asian dishes and are commonly found on decaying trees. To maximize their protein and nutrient content, it's best to enjoy them dried. Their nutritional value can vary based on their growing conditions and harvest time. While many grocery stores sell shiitake mushrooms, you can also order them dried online. They're incredibly delicious in soups and broths. A 100 g serving of shiitake mushrooms include 4% DB protein, 6% DB potassium, 35% DB selenium, 9% DB fiber, 36% DB pantothenic acid. 8. White button mushrooms. White button mushrooms are the most common variety found in stores and are highly versatile and suitable for many recipes. Their mild flavor allows them to blend well with other ingredients without overpowering. You can cook them in various ways, frying, roasting, sautéing, or as toppings on pizza and pasta. They can also be enjoyed raw in salads or snacks, though cooking enhances their flavor. Rich in riboflavin and selenium, white button mushrooms are also a good source of protein, making them beneficial for the immune system. A 100 g portion of white button mushrooms contains 6% DB protein, 24% DB riboflavin, 15% DB pantothenic acid, 18% DB niacin, 16% DB copper, 13% DB selenium. Other sources of protein. If you're seeking protein-rich alternatives to meat, consider these options alongside mushrooms, legumes, chickpeas, lentils, kidney beans, bean sprouts, soybeans, tempeh, tofu, and wheat gluten. Tempeh and tofu offer protein levels comparable to meat, making them excellent substitutes in your diet. Easy recipes. Mushroom and spinach chicken. This recipe for mushroom and spinach stuffed chicken is sure to impress. Begin by selecting fresh mushrooms and tender spinach leaves. The succulent chicken breasts serve as an ideal foundation for a flavorful filling. Add a hint of garlic and some melted cheese to enhance the mushroom and spinach pizza. Preparing a mushroom and spinach pizza is quite enjoyable. Begin with either a high-quality pre-made pizza dough or a homemade variant. Apply a thin layer of olive oil evenly across the base of the dough. Subsequently, top the oil with sautéed mushrooms and fresh spinach. To enhance the flavor profile, it is advisable to sprinkle garlic powder and a generous amount of mozzarella cheese. Bake the pizza until the cheese attains a golden color and becomes bubbly. Conclusion. Mushrooms can serve as an extra source of protein, but it's advisable to include other protein sources to meet your daily requirements. No matter your dietary objectives, incorporating mushrooms into your meals can be an excellent way to boost protein intake while offering various health advantages. What do you think of today's video? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and we'll